You asked Judge Jackson, would she support court packing? Would she support the idea of putting more justices on to change the makeup of the court? She couldn't answer. What was your takeaway from that moment?
Yeah, it was interesting, John. She wouldn't answer. Now, she acknowledged that she has opinions on court packing, but she declined to share them with us. Now, I understand her reluctance to share her views on a political matter. Most of the time, you don't necessarily want Supreme Court justices or Supreme Court nominees opining on political matters for a couple of reasons. For one, you don't want them having to signal one way or another a certain predisposition that might render them incapable of ruling on a particular case. You don't necessarily want to disqualify them, and they're not supposed to do that under their canons of judicial ethics anyway. Another reason is you don't want to make them weigh in on something that's outside of their purview, of their expertise. In this circumstance, we have an issue, that of court packing. That is the idea of adding seats to the United States Supreme Court in order to exercise political influence on it, that manages to sidestep both of those otherwise significant roadblocks. First of all, this could never come up for resolution by the Supreme Court because it's not a constitutional issue, strictly speaking. It's something that Congress and the presidency together are empowered to do if they enact legislation increasing the size of the court. But it's not unconstitutional, and it couldn't be challenged. If you were to challenge a duly enacted piece of legislation on that, on constitutional grounds, you'd lose, it'd get kicked out. One of the reasons is this is left to the political branches. The courts have no business doing it.